And in southern St. Andrew, PNP President Mark Golding was ushered to the nomination center by loyalists from the PNP stronghold after taking off Monday's constitutional requirement. Mr. Golding addressed other developments nationally. Dwayne Anderson has our story.
Hundreds of supporters partying in the streets with Mark Golding on nomination day in southern St. Andrew, but eyes on the wider prize nationally. And nationally, Mr. Golding is surging in favorability according to the findings of the latest RG Arena commissioned Don Anderson polls. Still behind the Prime Minister, but only just.
Jamaicans are seeing more of me, especially those that don't follow the politics that closely and so on and may not know much about me. Because we're in an election season now, the media is obviously paying a whole lot of attention to what we do, which we like. And more people are seeing who I am, and that has been reflected in the increase. And of course, on a net favorability rating, when you subtract the unfavorability from the favorability, I am significantly ahead of Andrew Holness. So that's a problem for him.
PNP supporters too, buoyed by the party's renewed energy, made bold predictions about the outcome of the next general election. They too had opinions about which of the two leaders they think is more favorable in the eyes of Jamaicans.
We're on the rise. We're moving forward, and we'll be going straight up into Garden House.
What do you think about Mr. Golding's popularity right now? You think he's as popular as the Prime Minister?
That's an understatement. Mr. Golding is more popular than the Prime Minister right now.
What do you make of your party's chances? Tell me who must Tiago win.
What do you want? Me's a craven person, All right, now, I'm reflecting as far back as 1989, and I'm looking at about 50 seats.
What make?
48 seats, because based on the preliminary count that we have and the amount of survey that have been done, and we're looking at the map and the internal poll, secret poll that we have had. We know we're going to win 48 seats.
Popular morning, man.
What make you say so?
Yes, all the people tired of the foolishness, Yeah, man. So we want a new government.
Who much seats you win?
We win about 48 seats.
Mr. Golding was nominated at the St. Luke's Anglican Church in Crossroads on Monday morning to run on the PNP's ticket in southern St. Andrew for a third time since 2017. Mr. Golding admitted he does not get to work personally as much in the constituency as before, given the pressures of trying to lead the PNP to victory in the general election.
Well, it's a whole different ball game. I have to focus on winning the national elections, and I have to support candidates all across the island. And I must say, I do feel like I have an advantage because South St. Andrew is such a well-organized and strong seat for the People's National Party. And it's not because of anything other than the fact that we are very attentive to our constituents' needs, and they understand the role that we have, and they work well with us and us with them. But it does enable me to confidently move around and be very present where I have to be in other parts of Jamaica.
Carlton Allen of the JLP was also nominated to run on the JLP's ticket come September 3. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.